Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista. So friends, today we are going to make an amazing game in Scratch which is very simple. Its coding is also simple. So first let's see the demo and let's play this game first. So I am clicking on green flag and I am popping this balloon. You can listen the score, you can listen the music, and score is also there. I have to do score till 20. After that, when I will do score till 20, then game will stop. It's a very simple and easy game. It is enjoyable also. So as you see, after 20 score, it has been stopped. So you can see there is no coding for backdrop, and for balloon means for sprite, it's a small coding. So let's start. Let's create a new one. So before starting, I would like to tell you, if you had not subscribed to my channel yet, so please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon too to get all notifications of my video. So let it load. It's loading. So now you first delete this sprite cat and go on backdrop. Take a backdrop, for any backdrop you can take. I am taking this blue sky. After going there, let's go to sprite library and take a balloon or ball, whatever you want to animate with what you want to play. So I am taking this balloon and let's start to code. First of all, we will go in event block and we will put our regular block, that is when the green flag clicked. After that, what we have to do, we have to make a new variable of our own. So click on make our variable and write a kind of score you can write here, and it will. So we have made a variable. Now let's go here in variables and click here my variable and choose score. Set score to 0 when I am clicking on green flag. Then go in forever block and take forever block from control. After that, go to motion block looks. First of all, we will go to looks block and we will choose this change color effect by 25. Then go in motion block and choose go to random position, and it will go too fast. So for that we can put a time. It will be wait for 1 second after one move. Okay, and now we have to put another code. So for that, when we will go to event block and we will choose when this sprite click, what will happen, we will go in variable block and we will choose here score, change score by 1. That means when I will click on balloon, so the score will be 1. Now let's go to sound and you can choose any sound. I am choosing pop sound. After that, go to control block and choose wait until. Okay, after that go to operators and take this one is equals to, and here we will put score. So drag this here and score we want to be 20. So let's take 20. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is the code, and last what we'll put, now we want to stop this script in last after 20 score. So we will take this stop all. So this is the coding of this balloon. Now let's save it and click on green flag and see. I am popping also, sound is also there and score is also there. Even the color is also changing of balloon. So let's score it till 20, and it's a very simple and enjoyable game. By making this, you can play this game in your free time if you are boring. So this is very easy game. As you can see, we can play it, and this is all about today friends. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon too, and tell me in comment section how was my this video. Thank you so much for watching.